So the brick industry uses plastics for a few different reasons, mainly health and safety. Secondly, we use it to make sure that our products reach the final destination in absolute top quality. It's really important for us to reduce single-use plastics across the whole construction industry. We use it in a number of construction product categories. I think globally we are looking at our environmental impacts, and plastic is a waste. It's a waste that we should be reducing and also eliminate single-use plastics where it's not necessary. It's definitely paramount for us to look at our corporate responsibility and our consumption. So everything we can do to reduce single-use plastics, we should. So the BDA members are working together, we are collaborating together, many manufacturers, we all have a common goal, which is to reduce single-use plastics. So my company, Michelmersh Brick Holdings, we've tried all sorts of alternatives. We've explored seaweeds which are compostable, which actually present another issue in the fact that it becomes a single-use material. We've explored all sorts of reduction schemes, so we have a 7% reduction target for 2030. We're already at 3%. Something I'm incredibly excited about is our huge investment and focus on looking at using different materials. So I can announce that we're now going to work with bioethylene, bioplastics, which are made from sugarcane, responsibly sourced. There is 3 co-products out of the sugarcane material, which is sugar, the bioethylene itself, and the bagasse. All 3 fantastic products, but we are hugely excited as a manufacturer here in the UK that we are now using bioplastics. So where we can, we will reduce and not use plastics at all, but where we need to, we will use the right materials, we will use bioplastics. So for Michelmersh, what this means is the bioplastics that we're now using, which is made from sugarcane, is minus 5 tonnes of CO2 per tonne used. And I think us as BDA members, we're all trying to collaborate together to make sure that we can make those incremental improvements, to make sure that we are reducing our consumption on raw materials, we improve closed loop principles, improving circularity of materials. And I think if we all do this together, we can all do it quicker, faster, easier together. So we're working with the BDA to look at ways that we can offer guidance to support those in the wider industry to improve recycling, reuse of plastics, making sure that they're collected in a responsible manner. And obviously, we're trying to do our part with making sure that our raw material usage is both reduced and using alternatives such as the bioplastics. However, what we're not in control of is how that plastic is used on construction sites, how it's then reused in different locations from merchants to distributors, etc. And so we really want to work together, working really hard to make sure that we can offer guidance, support where possible to really ensure that the packaging that we do put on our products ends up in the right place, that it is being recycled in a responsible manner. And so therefore we're working with the BDA on this body of work to really ensure that plastic packaging and other types of packaging as well are both researched, recorded, and the support then is then drawn up to give that guidance to our other counter peers within the industry.